Well, my phone service cut out, so looks like a perfect time to do a little video. Um, where should I start? LastPass. You gotta start with LastPass. It's all about LastPass. So you got your app, right? Um, you got your app. Which one should I do? Got your app. Let's do WordPress. Oh yeah. Oops. Yeah, I have a blog called Asshole Shaun. It's actually an email called Asshole Shaun, and a YouTube channel. Right, and I'm already logged in. No bueno. A little too private. There you go. Yeah, yeah. It's logging out. It's a slow, painful death right there. Like, you got me. No. Oh. But it's really an old movie, so it takes forever. So you go into login, right? Thing comes up. Oh, I could just log in with Google. Jesus Christ, that just kills the whole point of it, doesn't it? Motherfucking Google. Shit. Alright. Fucking Google gotta own everything. I mean, yeah, I do love Google, and I do got all their apps. So I guess I can't say shit. Alright, see though. That's not very good. Okay, let's try one of these. Banking apps. I spend probably a closed account or vastly overdrawn. Either way, here we are. That's how this comes up as this little guy right here. Oh, no, not that one. Oops. That's another one for another day. Comes up, if you don't have a scanner, it would be the 4-digit barcode that you create. Boom. Open up your thing. Now let's just choose one. Yeah, that's the greatest thing about LastPass is you can make however many accounts you want for anything. You know, that's pretty handy when it comes to like just fire and forget, and then remember 2 months later when you forgot you even had those bank accounts. Yeah, times. Oh wait, yeah. Well, I might have no service, so this isn't gonna log in. But you get the point. You can have whatever passwords, whatever, everything on, assigned to the accounts, assigned to the URLs, specific and encrypted so many times over. It's ridiculous. It's cool. You can even have it change the password for the account through the app. So you could just constantly keep changing your passwords. Yeah, I know. I don't have phone service, but I still got a lot of stuff I can do on this phone without even service. I think I'll make another video too right after this.